teacher Anael, and today my students are going to teach you how to make Masoub.
You will need some roti and a chopping board.
You will need a knife, a fork, and tin of cooking cream. You will need some bananas and a big spoon for mixing.
You will need a bowl and some cornflakes.
You will need your teacher's grandmother's blender and some honey.
Hi guys, the first you need cut the bird 4 pieces, like this. Then put in the blender.
Put the lid on. After that, close.
Okay, now we will chop the bananas and we will put in the lid. And now blend.
Now empty it in a bowl. Pour a little bit of cream in.
Now mix it well, like this.
Sprinkle some cornflakes. Drizzle some honey.
Really?
Mwah.